Hey YouTube, today I receive a package with my new Casio model G6900. Metal box from Casio. Okay. Model G6900A-7. This watches solar power, have rechargeable battery inside, and this battery work for 10 years. Here, touch solar. White color, no glossy. This made from metal. Casio Japan. Look. Yeah. The factory in China. $31.80. This model have all functions that I need. So have power save, world time, and touch solar. World time. Alarm, on off alarm for this button, and this button select number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and snooze alarm. 5 alarm totally, and alarm is independent. Signal, I like to switch on, and every full hour watch make beep signal. Okay, stopwatch, start, stop, and same button, and reset, this button. Okay, timer, and timekeeping mode again. So these very nice watches. Not so expensive. I pay for these watches about $80. Metal button, and very nice lightning, green color, look nice. And have function automatic. Yes. When you tune your wrist, the light is switched on. Oh, here it is. Again, this function is walk. Okay, next week I wait new model of Casio GShock, so please subscribe here for my channel and look new model of Casio. One of my old Casio GShock being used, okay, and this watches is a little bit smaller. This one GR8900 and this one G6900, okay. Positive display, looks better. I think this one much better for use every day. Please, if you like this video, like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.